Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys three button navigation setting means guys your button layout setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you set guys your three button navigation. As you can see guys in my phone guys, Samsung phone guys, I don't have guys this three button navigation. So guys you want to set guys your three button navigation, so guys you can set. And guys now let's see how to set three button navigation, and guys how can you use your three button navigation setting in your Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting to set your three button navigation. Then guys you can see this type of setting, so guys scroll it and guys click on your display setting. Then guys scroll. Then guys you can see your navigation bar, so guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys three button settings, so guys tap here, three button, guys wait here. Then guys you can see guys you have these three buttons, so guys you can use your three button setting guys, your back button, home button and screen button guys last. So I hope friends you have understood how to set three button navigation and guys how to use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Then guys we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.